They told you everything was waiting for you. They told you everything was set in stone. 'Cause you're royal, you're rebel, you're more than one together. However you go, ever and ever after
high. Shouldn't we have gotten there by now? It seems like we've been walking for hours.
It's so dark in here, I can't even tell if it's day or night.
I know what time it is. It's time to eat. I'm starved.
Oh, I'm a hexpert when it comes to finding food in the forest. In fact, I know a place close to here. Follow me. Ta-da!
A gingerbread house. This is perfect.
Come on, guys. Just break a piece right off the outside. Ew, gross. That stuff's dirty. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, this is good, yeah? Mine. You girls, go find your own gingerbread house.
Welcome to Miss Muffet's frozen yogurt bar. It's way tasty. Pull up a tuffet and relax.
I just wanted to tell them about the free web access. Oh.
Don't worry, guys. I know the family that lives here, and they just love me. Hello? It's Blondie.
What do we do?
Just ignore her. Maybe she'll go away.
Oh, they must not be home. Oh, hi, guys.
Oh, hello, Blondie Locks.
What a pleasure.
Maybe we should be moving on.
It was very lovely meeting all of you. What are you talking about? My friends are really hungry. Would you guys have some porridge by any chance?
Why, of course. We always have porridge.
And offering it up to a girl who broke into our house would, I suppose, be the polite thing to do.
Enough already! She already broke my bed. She broke my chair. I can't take it anymore. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Well, that was awkward.
Should have let me do all the talking. I'm telling you, those bears really love me.
We'll be at the Forest Fest in no time.
I thought this trip would be a fun distraction for you. I hope I was right.
You know what? I'm gonna stop worrying about Dexter. I figure whatever happens, happens. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have some fun.
What was that?
Not fun! Not fun at all! Maybe it's the three bears.
That doesn't sound like any bears I know.
Run! Look! The enchanted forest! We're almost there!
Hey, you big fat monster guy! It's time for you to say bye-bye.
Oh, no. No.
What happened?
I think we tripped on something.
My hut! Look, there they are!
Apple, Raven, Hunter.
What are you guys doing here?
Cerise told Cedar that someone saw you guys in the dark forest.
That was kinda my fault.
I sent you the wrong way.
But how could you do such a thing?
You can't blame a girl for following her destiny. Spoiling people's fun is kind of my thing. But then I saw how you guys handled everything, how nice you were to that disgusting Biggle Woggle.
Hey, I have feelings, you know.
And if I made you late, well, I guess I'm sorry? Yeah, that. I'm sorry you missed your party.
But they haven't. I am the Fairy Queen. You cannot find the Forest Fest. It finds you.
and all of you may enter as my special guests.
Wow! Baybel, come join us.
All this niceness is so gonna trash my reputation. Oh well, I can always be bad again tomorrow. Cedar, have you heard anything from the girls since they left for the party? I was just in the woods.
Don't worry, Dad. Blondie Locks and her friends won't be back here anytime soon.
That's my boy.
Blondie? Why would she be in the dark forest?
Weird, because she went to the enchanted forest with Ashley, Poppy, and Cupid. They're in the wrong forest.
They must have taken the wrong path.
I say we pitch in and do something about it. Come on.
How much longer are we gonna wait for Baba Yaga?
She's bound to show up soon. We just have to be patient and think positive thoughts.
Well, I'm positive I'm done waiting. This is an emergency. How do you work this thing? Wow! Baba Yaga's office, forward. Hey, this is easier than I thought. Sorry about that. Still learning. Oh, student driver. Slow down. Turn right. Go left, go left, go left. Yay.
Released! Finally! A spell went south and I was trapped in that bottle all night. Raven Queen, have you been driving this room without my permission?
Well,
I like it. Give in to your dark side. It's an excellent start.
but I did it because our friends, well, they're lost in the dark forest. They need our help.
Say no more. Hold on. Field trip to the dark forest.
Raven Queen, what evil act are you going to perform for this year's talent show? No, 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 Miss Queen. This music is too nice. If you will not give a performance suitable to a student of your destiny...
Since my story didn't exactly go poof, I think it's safe to change it up. Do something, you know, not evil.
Nevertheless, Sparrow Hood has already signed up to play the guitar.
Sparrow's gonna show you up big time. Ow!
But I've been practicing my guitar solo for a month.
Practice is for losers. Oh!
Ah, bring it on like fairy song. Oh, I mean...
That's more evil.
That was Cedar Wood and her little friend Splinter, who, oddly enough, can only lie. Next up, a guitar solo by Raven Queen.
Raven is spectacular.
Not for long.
That's it! I told the headmaster that I didn't want to do anything evil. But sometimes, you gotta let your bad side out!
So evil!
It pays to practice.